Welcome to PicLearn. চলো একসাথে আনন্দের সাথে ইংরেজি শিখি। Let's start today's lesson. Hospital. হাসপাতাল. The hospital has many caring doctors. Clinic. Clinic.
Thank you for calling. Yes,
We
Dr.
visit a
Williams is
clinic
available
for a
on
regular
Tuesday
checkup.
afternoon.
Doctor. Doctor.
Your
The
heart
doctor
sounds
helps
wonderful.
us feel better.
You're doing great.
Nurse. Shebika.
There you go, all tucked in and
The
cozy.
kind nurse takes
rest
care
now.
of the patients. Patient. Rogi. The patient is resting quietly on the bed. Medicine. Oshud. Take your medicine to cure the sickness. Prescription. ব্যবস্থাপত্র. The doctor writes a helpful prescription. Ambulance. রোগী বহনকারী গাড়ি. The ambulance drives very fast with a siren. First aid. প্রাথমিক চিকিৎসা. Use the first aid box for small cuts. Bandage. Bandage. Wrap a clean bandage around the wound. Injection. Injection. A tiny prick of injection makes us strong. Tablet. Bori ba tablet. Swallow the round tablet with water. Syrup. Torol oshud. The sweet cough syrup tastes like strawberries. Thermometer. জ্বর মাপার যন্ত্র. The thermometer checks our body temperature. Fever. জ্বর. Rest well when you have a fever. Cough. Kashi. Cover your mouth when you cough. Cold. Shordi. Use a soft tissue for a runny cold. Pain. Betha. Ice helps to ease the pain. Headache. Matha betha. Sleep softly to cure a headache. Stomachache. Pet batha. Healthy food prevents a stomachache. Wound. ক্ষত বা জখম. Clean the small wound with water. Blood. রক্ত.
The circulatory system relies on these red
Healthy
blood
blood
cells,
keeps
which
us
flow
alive
continuously
and
through our
energetic.
arteries, delivering vital oxygen.
Stethoscope. হৃদস্পন্দন মাপার যন্ত্র. The stethoscope listens to our heartbeat. Wheelchair. চাকাওয়ালা chair. Push the wheelchair gently down the ramp. Stretchers. রোগী বহনের বিছানা. Moving the patient safely on stretchers. Operation. অস্ত্রোপচার. Doctors do surgeries in the operation room. Mask. Mask বা মুখোশ. Wear a mask to stay safe from germs. Oxygen. Oxygen. We breathe in fresh oxygen from trees. Plaster. Plaster. A hard plaster protects the broken bone. Cotton. Tula. Soft white cotton is very clean. Ointment. Molom. Rub the soothing ointment gently on the skin. X-ray. Ranjan Roshi. An X-ray shows the bones inside us. Vitamin. Vitamin. Fruits are full of healthy vitamins. Weak. Durbal. Drink juice when you feel weak. Dizzy. মাথা ঘোরা. Sit down if you feel a little dizzy. Sneeze. হাঁচি দেওয়া. Achoo! Sneeze into a tissue paper. Wow, we learned so many new words today. If you want to learn more fun things with us, please subscribe to PicLearn BD. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.